Welcome back, guys. I know most of you will see this now, you'll be scared, so don't be. We are going to take it one step at a time. All you need to do is just to sit back, relax. But if you have any question, just drop it in the comment section. Okay. Now we are asked to simplify this Surds problem. This is part of the series that we are treating. So if you have this 4 root 6 plus 2 all over root 6 minus root 3. But before we go into this fully, if you think you can do this, you can just pause the video, then give it a try. There is no harm in trying, right? But let me give you a hint. You can rationalize this using the conjugate of this denominator. I think that is a hint, and it will help you to do this. But when you are done, just come back and then follow the step one after the other and then cross-check it. Now, let's continue. By rationalizing this, we have to multiply the numerator by the conjugate, okay? Remember, the conjugate is just that the sign will change to its opposite. If it's minus, it will become plus. But the same root, the same number. If it is plus, it becomes minus. Same root, same number. So we use it to multiply both the numerator and the denominator. Then we can now bring them together and simplify. So here we are going to have, this gives us 4 root 6 plus 2, all multiplying root 6 plus root 3, all over root 6 minus root 3, multiplying root 6 plus root 3. All right, please, if this is your first time of coming across my channel, if you're on YouTube, please kindly press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. If you are seeing this video on Facebook, please follow, so that alone will encourage me to post more educational content like this. Okay, it may not be for you, it may be for your child, your siblings, your nephews, your nieces. So you can just save it. Whenever you see this, you can just forward it to them so that they too will learn from it. Okay, you're not paying shit, so just enjoy. Now let's expand this. If you want to expand this times this, okay, remember, when a root with same number is multiplying itself, it gives you that number itself. So here 4 will now, you are now going to have something like 4 times 1 here, it's 4. Then this times this, you have 6. Okay, then plus whatever you have here times this will give you 4 into bracket 6 times 3. Okay, then we are done with this. Let's move to this. Then we have plus, this is 2 root 6. Then this times this, you have plus 2 root 3. So this gives us our numerator. Now let's go back. Let's now get down to the denominator. This times this, you have 6. This times this, you have plus 6 times 3. Okay, then this, we are done with this, right? So we'll come to this. This will now give us minus 6 times 3. And this times this, we have minus 3. Remember, whenever you multiply a denominator by its conjugate, a Surds problem by its conjugate, you're going to have an integer. So that is what this point is trying to tell us here. So from the numerator here, this times this, you have 24 plus this is 4 root 18 plus 2 root 6 plus 2 root 3. Then all over here, this will cancel because this will give you 18. So plus 18 minus 18 will definitely cancel out. So you have 6 minus 3. Is that okay? Now, but there is something we need to do here. Here we can simplify, but here we cannot simplify. So naturally here we already have 6 minus 3, which will give us 3. Is that okay? So if we want to simplify this, we're going to have 24 plus 4 into bracket 9 times 2. Okay, plus 2 into bracket 6, then plus 2, then 3, divide by 3. Please remember this. Now root 9 is 3, so 3 times 4 will give you 12. So we now have 24 plus 12 root 2 plus 2 root 6 plus 2 root 3 all over 3. Now there's something I really want you to look out for in this case, right? That this denominator here is for 24, is for this, is for this, and also for this. So what do? You can now share it. Okay, if you share them, it becomes 24 over 3 plus 12 root 2 over 3 plus 2 root 6 over 3 plus 2 root 3 over 3. Now, once you've gotten to this point, the one that needs to be reduced will be reduced, right? If this here is 1, okay, 3 can go into 24, right? That will give you 8 times. So if you cancel this, you have 8. Here is 1, here you have 4. The rest can't be simplified, okay? So finally, the solution to this problem becomes 8 plus 4 root 2, then plus 2 root 6 over 3, then plus 2 root 3 over 3. This gives us our final answer. Is that okay? Bye-bye.